Hey everyone, this is Hans from User Growth, and in this video we're going to talk about long-tail keywords and how to use them to get more search traffic for your business in just under 4 minutes. Are you ready? Let's go! First things first, let's define what long-tail keywords are. Long-tail keywords are 3 or more word phrases that are significantly more specific than short-tail keywords. These precise phrases are frequently used by people who are closer to making a purchase or taking action. Best vegan restaurant in Los Angeles, for example, is a long-tail keyword, while just the word restaurant is a short-tail keyword. Now you might be wondering, why are long-tail keywords important for SEO? Well, there are a few reasons. Number 1, long-tail keywords are significantly less competitive. This means it's easier to rank for them and get more visibility in search engine result pages, also known as a SERP. Number 2, long-tail keywords are less difficult to create content around. They provide a clear focus for your content and can help you create more targeted and relevant content for your audience. Number 3, long-tail keywords outnumber short-tail keywords. There are more long-tail keyword variations than short-tail keywords, which means there's more opportunity to target specific search queries. Number 4, long-tail keywords convert better. Because they are more specific, they often have a higher conversion rate than short-tail keywords. And finally, number 5. Long-tail keywords have less expensive pay-per-click advertising. Because they are less competitive, they often have a lower cost per click for your pay-per-click advertising. So how do you find long-tail keywords for your site? Well, here are 3 quick tips. Number 1, use Google's autocomplete feature. Simply enter a broad term linked to your business or your piece of content, and Google will recommend more precise keywords. For example, when we start typing the word skateboard tricks, you can see the autocomplete items popping up. Number 2, the next one is in Google's People Also Ask feature. This feature provides related questions that users are searching for and can help you identify long-tail keyword opportunities. Simply click on a topic connected to your search term and Google will show you more questions that others have looked for that are similar and related. And number 3, the third tip is using Google's related searches. This feature provides related searches that users are searching for and help you identify long-tail keyword opportunities. For this one, you will have to scroll all the way to the bottom of the search result page to see a list of relevant searches done by other users. By using these tips, you can find relevant long-tail keywords that can help to improve your website's visibility and drive more targeted traffic to your website. And that's it. That's everything you need to know about long-tail keywords and how to use them to get more search traffic in just under 4 minutes. I hope this video helped you understand the importance of long-tail keywords and how to find them for your website. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more, check out our in-depth article on long-tail keywords, where we share even more tips on finding long-tail keywords for your business and doing keyword research by clicking the link in the description below. Trust us, it's worth the read. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. And of course, if you like all the videos and the content that we're giving to you to help you grow your business online and want to help back, please subscribe, like, share this video, tell other people about it. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.